Life will test you. It will shake you to your core, strip you of what you thought you needed, and ask, who are you without the things that broke? But deep within you is something no storm can destroy, a quiet strength, a soul that refuses to stay shattered. Thank you so very much, and I'm finally back. I really appreciate all of your prayers and support while I was away, and I know that all of your prayers have allowed me to feel that I am, and truly am, healing much more quickly than I would have had without all of your care and kindness. So this is such a wonderful community, and I thank each and every one of you for all that you have done for me and by being so very, very loyal. And I think probably one of the things that I can really talk about now is to how when you feel that things are broken, how do you survive that? And how do you reach beyond that feeling of things being broken in your life, no matter what it is, whether it's physical or mental or situational? How do we overcome those things? And I have a script because I have not really been able to sit down and plan and think so much. So I have some notes here with me about things that really have helped me feel that I am going to be able to get over situations in life that maybe have made you feel broken and maybe have made me feel broken too. And I really have felt that the first thing that I have done is I have tried to build muscle through this big word called acceptance. It is so hard for us maybe to accept when things happen to us in life that just change everything for us in a second, no matter what it is. It is so hard for us to really try to embrace what is happening and to accept it, because so many of us can be in denial. And I know I was in denial because I laid on the couch all night long knowing that I had broken my hip, but it took me a while to really accept that I would probably have to go to the hospital and get myself fixed. So within a minute, my 86-year-old life of living like a 70-year-old was completely broken. But the first thing I really had to do was accept it. And once I accepted that, I was able to let go and to maybe understand that this is just what life is. It's not always our plan. And things that happen to us, if we don't accept it and if we fight it and we try to deny what's happening to us, it really doesn't help us, and it doesn't help us heal. So no matter what you are going through in your life, no matter how old or young you are, when things happen, a broken relationship, a broken hip, a broken whatever, a job loss or whatever, the first thing is to build that muscle of acceptance, and that really helps you heal and to move on in your life. The second thing is to anchor yourself in meaning. People who are unbreakable have a stronger why than what. When you live with purpose, no matter what it is, when you live with meaning, that gives you the strength to overcome whatever is happening in your life. Because living with purpose and understanding the why and accepting it helps you get over whatever is going on in your life and gives you the strength to move on. Ask yourself, what am I living for that no storm can ever take away? And that's really a big question that I've had to ask myself too, because I felt that storms were surrounding me and that my life and my living purposely and younger would be taken away. But it was all in my head, because I know I still have a purpose and I still have that why I am here. And as long as you keep that purpose and that why you are here, that will help you move forward and be unbreakable. Protect your inner world. True strength begins in your mind and in your heart. It's not something that people can see on the inside, but it's that inner core strength that you have that gives you the will to carry on and to be that unbreakable person no matter what hits you in life. I really have had to draw upon that myself, because I went to the doctor yesterday and we had a chat, and I said, I think I'm just a little bit depressed because my whole life was turned over and around and upside down in just a second. And he said to me, it's all in your mindset. You are truly what you think. And this is just a small hiccup. It's just a small thing that has happened in your life. And if you have a mindset of positivity and knowing that this too shall pass, and you have the core strength in your mind and heart to carry on, that is what is going to heal you. That is what is going to make you unbreakable. Guard your thoughts, because I've always said before, you are what you think. So try to not think negatively. Try to think, I will overcome this. I absolutely am unbreakable. And there is a tomorrow. And I will be strong in my core and in my heart. If there are any grudges that you are carrying, if there are any regrets that you are carrying, let them go out into the universe, because they only will weigh you down and they will keep you from moving forward as an unbreakable person. These are the 3 things that I have had to draw upon now that I've had this hiccup in my life. But I know that there are others that are joining me that have had the same things happen. I mean, we're only human. Life goes on and life happens. And in a second, we can lose our jobs. We can lose our spouse. We can have something happen. We can fall. We can have a diagnosis that is really scary. But if we keep strong in our core and we stay positive and we keep a positive mindset, we will be able to be one of those unbreakable human beings. So I would like each and every one of you to join me if you are having any kind of problem in your life. Join me, and together we will be unbreakable. Thank you for being here today. My lighting is not so good. I'm downstairs filming, but I just hope each and every one of you will take care of yourselves, be good to yourself, and do something wonderful today. And wherever you are, you know that you are not breakable. You can be unbreakable. and you can walk through the fire with me and come out with a core strength in your mind and heart. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And again, thank you ever so much. And please know that you are truly, truly loved. Take care, and I hope to see you soon.